What's going on YouTube? Now we've scoured the market to find the best mechanical keyboards that won't break the bank but will give you that high-end feel. At number 5 we have the Skylong GK61 mechanical keyboard. Now I really consider this to be a fan favorite. It has 107 5-star ratings out of 127. This keyboard has a gorgeous RGB backlit design. It has an array of 16.8 million colors to choose from. So you could literally adjust these modes to any light effects of your preference. So whether you just want a subtle glow or anything, it's your choice. You can choose from it. And also it offers an anti-ghosting technology. So whenever you press any key, the key is being registered. So this ensures that every key press is registered even when you press multiple keys at the same time. So in standard keyboards, usually when you press many keys at once, some inputs can be ghosted. So anti-ghosting prevents this, allowing you to execute complex commands without missing a single beat. It has also got floating key design, which the position of keys is elevated above the keyboard space. So this design, not only is it modern or stylish, but it makes it very easy for you to clean up or maintain your keyboard. And the gap between the keys and the base, it kind of gives the keyboard a sleek or a floating appearance. So this makes the light more visible and it just adds a wonderful visual appeal. At number 4 is the Aegis AK6080 mechanical keyboard. Now this is a compact and stylish keyboard that is perfect for your everyday needs. Now with its smaller size, it saves you space on your desk while giving you everything you need for typing, gaming or working. So it lights up with very cool effects. It feels great to type on and offers a wireless connectivity. So whether you're working from home or you just want a better keyboard, the Aegis AK68 brings you comfort and style to your setup. The keyboard has a special build that makes every key press feel smooth and satisfying. Its wired version lights up with 20 different effects, adding style to your setup, while the wireless version easily connects to multiple devices, letting you switch between them without any hassle. Now the price for this keyboard ranges between $30 to $40 in AliExpress. So I've added the link down in the description below. You could just click and go and check it out. At number 3 is the Macanique K500A. Now this keyboard is packed with features to elevate your typing experience. It's very sleek, customizable and perfect for anyone who wants to build a solid mechanical keyboard without breaking the bank. This bad boy has hot swappable switches, meaning that you can easily swap out the switches whenever you want. So whether you prefer a clicky, tactile or a linear feel, you can customize it at your heart's content without need soldering. Now let's talk about backlighting. With this keyboard you get 6 vibrant colors with customizable lighting effects. So whether you are working at late night or you just want your setup to look amazing, the Macanique K500 has got you covered. Its price on AliExpress is $61. So if you're looking for a keyboard that got style, functionality and room for customization, then this one is for you. At number 2 is the Mukai 61. Now this is another compact and colorful option that is perfect for gamers, writers or anyone who loves a good mechanical keyboard but wants to save some desk space. Really stands out with its multicolor backlighting. The lights are bright, fun and give off a cool vibe whether you're typing or gaming. It adds that extra flair to your setup. The mechanical keys on this keyboard offer a super satisfying typing experience and each key press feels smooth and accurate, making it perfect for fast typing or quick game moves. Also with just 61 keys, it's compact enough to fit comfortably on your desk, but don't let the size fool you. It got all the keys you need for both work and play. It is designed to work perfectly on laptops too, so if you're on the go or working from different setups, this wired keyboard is a great match for you. Its price ranges from $44 to $50, and in overall I can just say this is a small but a mighty addition to your setup. At number 1, it's the EOSO Z11. Now this packs a punch with a refreshing design. It's got a 60% layout, so no unnecessarily bark, just the 61 keys you need for fast typing and serious gaming. It features vibrant RGB backlighting with 20 different preset modes. You can adjust the brightness and speed, so you can customize the lighting to match your style and mood. And for all of you FPS gamers, this keyboard is a game changer. With its compact design, you'll never have to worry about your mouse bumping into your keyboard again, freeing up that much needed mouse space. Typing is smooth and comfortable with the anti-ghosting feature, plus the non-slip kickstands give you a better typing angle, reducing the wrist strain during those long sessions. Its price ranges between $50 to $70, so whether you're looking to save space on your desk or to get the most out of your gaming setup, the EOSO Z11 is a fantastic option for you. And those are our 5 best budget keyboards today. And if you have any question about this keyboard, feel free to leave it down below. We'll get back to you. And please like the video, it will push it further and further for more people to see. So thank you. Until next time, ciao.